I am Sudhanshu Lal. You can call me Suds for short. And I am the Vice President for Automation Architect Leads. So one of the components is Automation Anywhere. Over the past few years, we have seen quite a bit of growth in how we use the product as well, and seeing the investments in AI which Automation Anywhere is making. Right, it got me curious to attend this session. 6-7 years, I would say, or more than that. I know for 7 years for sure, right, we have been seeing some good outcomes of Automation Anywhere, where we are dealing with our clients, where they are looking for automation package as a whole, and RPA and Automation Anywhere forms a significant part of our solutions. As part of, specifically when we are talking about robust processes, we have optimized the processes, but then it is all manual, which needs to be done all the time. So we have significantly used Automation Anywhere to automate those processes which are optimized. And that's where we have seen quite a bit of value coming from Automation Anywhere versus any other product. So in terms of the challenges, one of the big challenges was the manual process of doing certain actions in a process, right? So there was a lot of overheads, lot of payroll costs, lot of areas where we thought we could improve on, but it couldn't happen without Automation Anywhere. So we saw that Automation Anywhere could fix all these challenges in one go, right? By making it less error prone, making it automated, reducing significantly the time, and therefore reducing the costs as well for our clients. So there are many, it depends on, in terms of the cost, it really depends on the size of the deal, right? We have seen a lot of areas where some of the processes related to infrastructure resolution or processes are quite high. So roughly around, depending on the size of the deal, around $500,000 to $1 million, right? I think one human error, the time it takes to recorrect that and fix the process is humongous, right? So we want to, at the first times, try to make it error-free. That's the first priority. So the rework and the support related to that and the cost related to that are significantly reduced. Yeah, I think especially when the Automation Anywhere team presented with the AI demo, one of the key things which I saw was the ability to, drag and drop, get your plugins into the AI, use open AI to build a robust and, flexible automation solution, right, with the power of AI. And when they had demoed an integration with ServiceNow, right, I could see how an agent could, quickly trigger an automation and have a lot of the manual tasks done very quickly in a very intelligent manner. As from the last year or so, as our company has made huge investments in Gen AI and bringing the value to our customers, right? Every component of that which we are working with, every product, we are looking forward to how we can, bring in Gen AI capacities into it. And since we heard that Automation Anywhere is also, making great progress, in the AI journey, right? I thought it's a very good time, since our organization is also invested hugely on Gen AI, and Automation Anywhere also has been bringing products related to that. Especially around the resolution of, and since I am from the infrastructure domain, right, resolution of any infrastructure related tickets, the processes around that, and I relate back to the demos which I have seen, the flexibility of building your own automation pack for a specific use case is a very strong, point where we think Automation Anywhere could be leveraged. think that's a very good point. That actually got me really curious because the packages which Automation Anywhere offers along with Gen AI is pretty much drag and drop. So it's low code, no code, right, which enables anyone with a very basic understanding to focus on the business outcome versus the technicalities of building a process. So I think Automation Anywhere along with the Gen AI offering is pretty good in that area to help out with minimum skills. It has been pretty, as I said, like since it offers low code, no code, right? So the ability of a large team to get up to speed with the offering is fairly less. So I see that I don't see any challenges or technical requirements to learn Automation Anywhere. So that is one of the differentiators, I would say, of Automation Anywhere. We think around 3 to 4 weeks, depending on the level of resources. So 3 weeks should be the max, I would say. I would like to get more insights on the best practices to use the Copilot, right? And that's why I'm here. But I'm quite enthused about the offering which Copilot has. I think that's one of the differentiators where anyone with basic skills can use Automation Anywhere. Plus the ability to integrate with different systems is something why we have been using Automation Anywhere for so long time. To cater to diverse client requirements, we needed a product which is flexible, and I think Automation Anywhere to that extent helps out. So as a solution, right, depending on what the client needs are, right, and the flexibility which Automation Anywhere requires, whether it's API, we've been doing a lot of work on API as well, integration with other systems, but nothing specific like a deal where we say that, okay, only this is used. So we use the whole length and breadth of Automation Anywhere platform. I think I would go with the same, right? So in terms of the flexibility of its integration plus the flexibility of its scale, right, has been one of the key things why we did not feel the need to invest more on other products as much as what we do for Automation Anywhere. So scalability shouldn't have been an issue. That's why we use it for so long time. We always go by the basics and our client needs, right? And if you are looking for a product which offers the flexibility of scale and integration at ease, right, I think Automation Anywhere fits that very well. And had there been a need, right, we would have for sure looked at other, but I have not seen at least significant investments outside Automation Anywhere. Not me per se, but yes, my team were involved in it. And as part of our solutions, we do offer wherever applicable, we do solution Automation Anywhere. We have a mature timeline of not only Automation Anywhere but many other components within that solution. So specifically Automation Anywhere would be difficult for me to say, but I have not seen any misses around our timelines, and Automation Anywhere is one part of the solution, so that's a good news, I would say. There is a support team. We have experts who continuously, because of our client asks, right, and their infrastructure resiliency, we do have team who help support different components and as well as support Automation Anywhere as well. I was not directly involved, but yes, like in terms of escalations, I have not seen any, right? That's a great news as well. I think the release management part of the product and its versions are well communicated. So as part of any escalations, I have not seen that. So I would assume that's going well. I would rate around 8 to 9. I'd say 8. I look at it from the deal and component size. I have not seen any gaps as yet, but I see that there's a lot of potential to improve, and the steps which you guys are taking, I'm sure that it will be 10 in some time. I think the scalability aspect, as I covered earlier, right? So I love the fact that it provides flexibility in terms of integration and scalability. It has never been an issue for us trying to spend extra hour on deciding on that. So our solutions have been fairly simple and straightforward because of the flexibility which Automation Anywhere provides. So that helps us with sizing and ensuring that our deals are deployed without issues, without any foreseen issues as well. So that's, I think, is an advantage.